I'm very excited to be standing here with all of you aspiring entrepreneurs, dreamers, and disruptors and one of you. Now, normally in a pitch environment, you'd expect me to stand up here and talk about CPRs and revenue and the whole product market fit and all that very, very important stuff, which I could talk about. But today I'm choosing to talk about the way things are versus the way things could be. As it stands today, per experience, the general social media experience is very ephemeral, and it expires in essentially 24-hour life cycles. The whole attention economy faces a slippery slope, where it is not always how good, but how much the platforms make us consume. How many of you love ads in your feed? Right, I don't see any ads here. When I have to sit through ads on YouTube to watch my own content, something is wrong. That's why I created Stereo. It's to empower younger generations to create content that has long-term personalized value and to build a brand that is as synonymous as Instagram or TikTok is with media engagement, except the difference is this is spatial social media. Social media. By connecting physical space and actual time through a variety of immersive and mixed reality scenarios, people can discover new and true senses of purpose in what they do, why they are there, and why they should go there. And this creates an entirely new way to interact beyond the scroll. We are currently live. It is a free cross-platform application to download, and it will remain free as long as I am in charge of the company. Good tech should offer the transmission of good information, the tools for collaboration, and the opportunities to organize. Purpose, value, and meaning. Stereo is all about connection in new ways. When scrolling becomes more like a job than a social experience, I believe that there is a problem. Last night I was at the John Legend concert at the Beacon, and I left 2 Stereos there. As a fan, I left one of all of John Legend's albums with direct links to stream his music on Spotify. And then as a content creator, I left the Stereo for other people to discover and contribute to, so we can create collaborative stories based on that venue. I want to hear what other people have done there. I want to learn about why they go there and what they see. And then we can continue the conversation from there. New technology comes with complicated things like adoption curves and patience, but the Stereo stands alone against this grain, carving a new path unto itself. And the number one thing that people say about Stereo is that's cool, to which I managed to get a trademark for. My name is Mike, and I'm talking to Stereo.
Any questions about the
That's a very good question. So essentially any media that you have in your phone, whether you want it to be representative of a product that you sell or a service you offer, or a picture you've taken, whatever that media is, we actually ingest that media and transform it into a three-dimensional card that people are able to access direct hyperlinks, leave comments on, or you can leave information. It also comes auto-populated with like an auto-lead generation. And then we have AI incorporated in our next version coming out to help you optimize the tagging process or content discovery. Good question.